Bom dia a todos.
Bom dia a todos. Eu sou o Gustavo Bento.
E eu sou o Jonathan Freitas.
E somos ambos repórteres do Rosa News. E estamos aqui para falar um pouco sobre a visita que recebemos da AIRE, uma ONG sobre refugiados, qual foi uma experiência muito gratificante e recompensadora ter a oportunidade de receber uma tão renomada ONG em nossa escola.
Foi interessante essa visita para entendermos como cada refugiado passa em seus países, o que eles passam, o que eles enfrentam e como tem sido a experiência deles aqui no Brasil, os problemas que eles têm enfrentado aqui no Brasil, as dificuldades no idioma, nas comidas e tudo mais.
E por problemas técnicos que ouvimos durante a gravação da entrevista, não dá para ouvir o áudio de uma forma muito boa, mas confira abaixo o vídeo e as fotos do evento.
You don't have any idea, as you like. How do you want to start?
Well, I think you should be started support. I see that you guys have a project about dancing. Personally, I teach dance for some people, some kids to be more comfortable. Do you guys think that adding more sport activities can make the people feel more comfortable about themselves and about the situation they are?
Arts, in general, arts.
We know culture, we share our family members, then we share our story, experience. Now we know each other more, and I think when people will stay together and share the experience, the relationship will be more and more close. It's my opinion.
I think that art can make people connect with other people and really strong, make a really strong connection. And you guys can tell me which challenge do you guys feel that this art is facing with other people?
I think the first one very previous is the language. Martin language is really more important and difficult than our language, other English. The English grammar is easier and don't have conjugate stop, and don't have male and female masculine and feminine. So we have to learn a lot more. Yeah, it's much easier, and also we learn a lot of years, and now we just start. Sometimes I feel frustrated, feel bad, because I could not remember. Even today I remember, tomorrow maybe I forgot. That's why when I talk to people that my language is limited, I cannot share my experience very well. And you think about if a friend, if you have to talk to him or her, you will feel upset. Because many words you want to explain, but you cannot explain. Even you explain, people don't understand. And we notice most of the words daily, people don't speak English. So we have problem in communication. Second, you don't know the system of your country, how the work, how the society running, how everything. We don't know, we just see what we see, but the deeply we don't know the culture, or we don't know for example, we always go to Malaysia federal, but I think in China, the government is more efficient. Doing things more fast. But here, everything slow. You must be very, very patient. Wait for a long time. Sometimes I really get upset, rush, and upset because you feel things time is running out, but things immediately not done, and you cannot control. It's not under your control. Sometimes I tell myself, this is the new world. We have to be patient. And the good things, the people here really kind to us, and they don't have the discrimination, don't look down upon us, think we are a refugee or we from another country, we treated us equally. That's why we feel very comfortable. We love the country, love the food, are here, but it takes time to really adjust us to close to people, to go inside the real world, not always stay in our home. Like all the time, we try to learn more. Also, we try to share more with other people, like the people know us, know our culture, and I think most important, we respect each other. To learn more each other. That's my
This is very hard for you to share the culture with us.
But the people here really, really kind and friendly. Really. See, all the Brazilian people have their own heart. For example, if I sometimes at the omnibus, if a gentleman next to me who would like me sit down there, that please for you. That is really cool. They don't think our face is different. From other countries, they just think they should do that for the manners. And I think it's not only manners, but people have good heart. They doing these things really from their heart, not for show. Really like it. We are moved.
Thank you. Thank you for that.
No, it's really from our heart.
About the future. One question, just one more question. Do you think that the short future that has here, because the future for us is very
Very open-minded.
but do you think that how these so many futures different in one future, do you think that backwards possible and they accept the future, or do you think that the future and the future is too strange to accept?
I think your country, the culture, is balanced. People have different race. White people, black people, white and black families, and Indians, and we have the Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Arabic. All the races now have the Afghanistan, all the race together. It's just how to say, like in US, they call it melting pot. Melt pot, right? Every culture mixed together, and they are not like Western country, Europe, American. They German people go to German society, Brazilian go to Brazilian society, and Chinese go to Chinese. Also, we go to Chinese, but also